G'day everybody, welcome back to another episode of Craft by Tim. Just got back from the WA hammering, as in like yesterday, but I basically slept for the rest of the day. I'm still pretty sore, but nevertheless I had a heap of fun and I enjoyed every second of it. It was amazing. Actually, I say I enjoyed every second of it, apart from like the seconds around 2:20 AM when this happened. Australian wildlife, kind of weird. They sound like banshees for no reason. There's no need for that, but they do. Anyway, I had a heap of fun and I really enjoyed it, and it was really enjoyable to actually catch up with some people that I haven't properly met before. I'll need to reset up my shop because I brought everything with me, and now, well, the shop's mostly empty, so I might as well take the opportunity to clean out the shop and reorganize, because that's what we're doing in today's episode. We're going to reorganize this mess. Let's get to work. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to cut down the tabletop. Again, for the third time. So we're doing pretty good so far. We've got the steel rack remade up. We have our new table, and of course already covered in crap. We have our new benches, which is going to make cutting up material for Damascus a breeze, although I have been told that 1084 and that sort of stuff may still be harder than mild steel when it is still in its annealed state. I don't know whether or not I'll be able to use this for that, but if I can, I can. If I can't, no stress, I guess. But it should still make cutting up other things a lot easier. I've already been using it a bit. And of course, we also have the new forging table, and I'll clean it up a bit more as I'm going. I'm going to start dealing with this corner over here a bit more. I don't want to keep it like this because it's very cluttered and gross. Currently, it seems like the best option. that's pretty much it. We'll move back in. So as of right now, I cannot wait to actually get back into forging because it's been a little while. In the meantime, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I hope to have some more other stuff coming out in the not too distant future. I know this is a very short video and probably not all that interesting, but I hope you guys got something out of it. Maybe this will inspire you to clean your own shed, because a clean house is a clear mind. That's only like 40% true, and the rest of it just comes to, you know, a lot of other stuff. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to catch you all in the next episode. In the meantime, do remember to stay safe, happy crafting, and as always, cheers. Hi, it's me, Tim. I've been sick, which is probably a good thing because it means that I actually can't do anything else except edit, so that's why you got videos this weekend. And I really hope that it doesn't like take me getting sick for me to actually be able to sit down and edit videos. Point is that I've been sick, however I am getting better, so there are more videos coming out soon. And I've been working really hard on some other stuff in the background for a large event that will be coming up in September, which I'll be talking more about in the future. But it has been very time consuming as of right now, so I hope that soon I'll be able to give you more information about that, and hopefully it will mean that soon I'll be spending less time working on that and more time working on videos, because that's why you guys are here. If I can't give you videos, then what's the point of you being here? Anyway, I really appreciate your patience. I feel terrible. I'll see you all very shortly, hopefully next week. I'm not going to promise anything because I know how that goes sometimes, most of the time. See you all very soon. Thank you so much for your patience, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.